A blessed day to all of us. Calculus is one of the most essential mathematics that how is the key how to understand the universe. Implicit differentiation, implicit on variables, on the fact of the given function or equation that the differentiation of each equation. For example, number 1. Okay, for example, number 1 is x is equals to tangent of y. X equals to tangent of y, a simple equation. Then differentiate by both sides. Kung kaya automatically, the differentiate of x is equals to 1 is equals to the differentiate of tangent of y is secant squared y. Then differentiate the inner of tangent of secant squared, that d of y over d of x. Then divide it by secant squared of y of both sides. Then cancellation. We find d of y over d of x, the derivative of the function of y with respect to x. Thus, 1 over secant squared of y. Ngayon, ang secant of y ay katumbas nito ng 1 over cosine of y. Ngayon, pwede natin iyan ito sa another form. Siyempre, nabalik na yung secant squared. Ngayon, ang magiging resulta dyan ay cosine squared of y. Maaaring pwede ito ang sagot. At maaaring pwede ba yung sagot ito. Pero mas safe pa ito. O ba sakali. Mas safe pa itong sagot kaysa i-ano pa natin ito sa equivalent ng trigonometric formula. Yun. Next for number 2. Okay, in sample number 2 is x plus sine of y is equals to x of y. Where i-differentiate ang both sides by the following simple rule ng calculus na then derivative of x y, then derivative of 1 plus sine cos sine of y, derivative of y plus x 1 plus 1. Madali lang, parang simpleng-simple na formula. Ngayon, ita-transfer, pagsamahin ang merong d of dy over d of x. I-transpose ang x and y. Ngayon, Yan. Tapos, ngayon, i-divide na ito dito. Both side by cos y minus x. Meron din ang kabila. Cos y minus x. Ngayon, cancel naman dito. Cancel dyan. Ngayon, nahanap na ako ng derivative of y respect of x. Function y that respect to x is y minus 1 over cos of y minus x. Yun. Napakasimple ng formula. Two xy plus pi side of y equals to 2 pi. Ngayon, i-apply ang dalawang formula. Mga ilang rules. Mismo, trigonometric, product rule at constant. Kung saan ang constant ay 0. Ngayon, differentiate both sides. 2xy. Wow, yug ang blackboard. Then differentiate the 2 pi. Thus the 2 pi is equals to 0. Ngayon, i-ano ngayon ng product rule para ma-expand to. Paday lang, isang simple click. Isang simple click lang na formula. Ayan. Plus, then 2y. Simple. Plus, bababa, tapos, then cos y, then differentiate the inside is y, then y, then 0. Ngayon, pagsamahin ng merong d of y over d of x. 2 pi kaya ililipat to sa kapila. Yung 2 pi x plus pi cos y. Then, ngayon, di pa natin itong 2y is negative 2y. Ngayon, divide. Ililipat natin ito through division. Ililipad natin yung 2 of x plus cos of y, then cancel. Cancel. Ngayon, malilipat siya sa kabila. Is 2x plus pi cos y. Yun. Nalaman na natin ang derivative of y, that is derivative of function of y with respect of x. 2y 2 of y over 2x plus pi cos y. Yun. Kuha. Ngayon sa example na e raised to x squared of y is equals to 2yx plus 2y. Differentiate by both sides. Then, tapos pagsamayan merong d of y over d of x. Tapos pili ito. Yan. Ngayon is 2 of x of 1 x squared is y. Then, ngayon, i-divide ito para may lipat dito. Yan. Na-proof na yung answer. For another example, e raised to 2x that equals to sine x plus 3 of y. Then differentiate both sides. X is sine ngayon, parang yung power rule lang ito, itong e raised to x is, pero, yung nga lang, kung compare natin yung e raised to x, tapos ngayon, i-differentiate natin kung ano yung raised ng x. And, ang raised niya is 2 of x. Then, i-differentiate. And, the differentiate of sine x is cosine. Cosine of x plus 3 of y, then if x implicitly, then the differentiate of 3 of y is 3 of d of y over d of x. Ngayon, i-derivative natin yung raised ng 2 of x is 2 of e raised to 2 of x. Ngayon, pagsamayan natin itong cos x at 2 of e raised to x na nandun sa PowerPoint, please po na 2 e raised to x raised to 2x minus cos x then of 3 of derivative of y. Then, divide the 3, both sides, 1 over 3. Then, this one is 1 over 3. Then, the derivative of y, we find the derivative of y is 2 of e raised to 2 of x minus cos of x over 3. Yun, nahanap na rin yung sagot. At na-proof yung sagot sa PowerPoint. Ngayon, nasa example number 6 is x squared is equals to e raised to t squared plus t of x. Ngayon, i-differentiate ang both side. Ngayon, ang differentiate ng x squared is 2 of x. Dahil x siya, hindi siya t, variable t is d of x over d of t. Then, pag i-differentiate ang e raised to t squared is 2 of t raised to t squared. Then, plus, ngayon, product rule, i-apply. Is gito maging resulta niya. P of d of x over d of t plus by x. Ngayon, pagsamahin ng magkapares na variable, same like put that, then 2 of t raised to t squared plus x. Then, divide it by 2 of x minus t. Then, we find that d of x over d of t is 2 of t raised to t squared plus x over 2 of x minus t. Yun. Tapos na yung number 6. Ngayon, sa example number 8. Sine 2 pi e raised to t squared is equals to x over t. Ngayon, i-write siya ng sine 2 pi. Kung gusto natin ng product rule sa kabilang set, ito, let's gawin lang x of t raised to negative 1. Ngayon, differentiate by both sides. Kung kaya, automatically, kung kaya lang evaluation, is 4 pi of t e raised to t squared cos 2 pi e raised to t squared, then is equals to negative x of t raised to negative 2 squared plus t raised to negative 1 of d of x over t of t. Ngayon, pagsamahin itong dalawa na like sign, magkapare yung walang d of x over d of t. Ngayon, ang maging ano niyan? 4 pi of t of e raised to t squared of cosine 2 pi e raised to t squared is equals plus by t raised to negative 2 is equals to negative 1 t of negative 1 of d of x. Ngayon, i-times natin ng t both side. Siyempre, ngayon, makakancel itong dalawa. Siyempre, pag ano to? Exponential rule, magiging 1. Ngayon, magsasama itong dalawang t, kaya magiging t squared dito. Pwede natin siyang ganyan. At mabawas, at magiging 1 na lang to. Ngayon, nalaman na natin ang d of x over d of t is equals to 4 pi t squared of e raised to t squared cos 2 pi e raised to t squared plus x over t. Ere sagot. Mismo. Sobrang dali. Ngayon, example na ito is e raised to cos 2 pi. E raised to cos 2 pi of t squared. Isa sa mga paborito kong minsan ginagamit sa mismo pag-design ko sa theoretical. Ngayon, that equals to x of t plus 2 squared. Ngayon, i-apply natin yung chain rule. Dito naman is natural logarithm rule sa differentiation. I-rate, differentiate na natin agad. Ngayon, differentiate by i-automatic natin. Sine. The differentiate of cos is negative sine of 2 pi raised to t squared. Then, differentiate again the inside of this one. Of t. 4 pi t. The differentiate of this is 4 pi of t e raised to cos of 2 pi t squared. Yan. Nakikita naman natin sa screen. Ngayon, 2, kaya natin yung chain rule para exponential power rule is 2. 2 of x of t plus 2. Tapos ngayon, i-differentiate natin yung loob is x plus x plus t over d of x over d of t. Ngayon, pagsamahin natin ang like sine. Base doon sa PowerPoint, is ang resulta ng mismo is 4 pi of t raised to cos t squared sine 2 pi of t squared minus pag-square natin x squared of t plus 4x that equals to 2 of x of t squared plus 4t over t. And i-divide natin ito, ililipat natin ito inversely. Then, para makuha ang d of x over d of t, the answer is 4 pi of t raised to cos 2 pi squared of sine 2 pi of t squared minus, hindi na siya minus kasi gagawin natin dito sa labas, plus then 2 squared plus 4 pi or of t. Ito na yung sagot. Tapos lang itong example. Sine of e of raised to imaginary number x of t equals to x squared of t. Then if we differentiate both sides, then I of e raised to x of I x of t sine of x of I x of t, then this one t plus of x equals to 2x of t plus 2y then x squared. Ngayon, pag-combine lang yung meron ganito. Ayan. Based sa PowerPoint, ang ano niya, ganito magiging resulta kapag pinsama natin ito at yan. Yan. Ngayon, makukuha natin ang d of x over d of t is equals to x squared minus I of x. Then, of e raised to I imaginary number of x of t. Then, cos I x of t of t of e to x of t cos e x of t minus 2 of x of t. Ano yung sagot? Ngayon, last example is a of e raised to I of k of x minus minus omega of t raised to e raised to natural logarithm of x squared. Itong side na to ay galing to sa wave function, example ng wave function sa quantum physics. Pero yan ko as example in implicit differentiation. Ngayon, i-differentiate ang both side dahil ang I, K, at yung parang ganyan, omega, maliit na omega, ay constant. Kaya, yun. I of A. Ngayon, i-differentiate natin ito, ang side na to, k of x minus yan. Ngayon, i-breakdown natin itong dito para ma-differentiate natin is k of d of x over d of t minus, syempre, t, pag-differentiate natin t is kaya matira is omega as a constant is equals to apply the one of the rules, logarithm rule. Natural logarithm rule is e raised to natural logarithm of x squared. Then 1 over x squared over 1 over x squared of 2x of d of x ngayon, yan natin dito. Kunin na natin yan. A of e raised to I of k of x minus omega of t. K of d of x over d of t minus I of a of omega of e raised to imaginary number of k of x minus omega of p that equals to 3 raised to natural logarithm of x squared 1 over x squared of 2x of derivative of t. Hindi na nagkasya. Kung dahil mo ito i-adjust. Ngayon, kasi mahaba ito, ngayon pagsamahin natin itong ano ba ito? Lilipat natin ito sa kabila at lilipat din sa kabila. Ngayon, ito may itsura. Parang algebra lang yan. Imaginary number of the a constant of k, constant e raised to imaginary number of k of x minus omega of t minus of natural e natural logarithm x squared of x 2x. Ngayon, ikukulong natin siya. d of x Mayroong espasyo. Mong pwede i-erase itong part na to para magkasya. Ngayon is equals to I of A of E. So it's 2. Laki. Gamit tayo pa yung voucher. Ayun, meron pa. Ngayon, i-divide natin siya sa baba. Ngayon, i-divide natin siya as malaman natin yung... Ngayon, kapag divide na natin, malalaman natin kung anong simplification ito. Palitin natin. Subukan natin palitin na konti para pagkasya lang. May sulat natin ibaba para hindi yes. Copy lang na rin to, pero iyan natin sa baba na to. Kung kapila, syempre parang i-divide inverse na to, i-lipat dito. Then, over x. Ngayon sagot, I of A of omega e raised to imaginary number of k of x minus omega of t over I of A k of e raised to imaginary number of k of x minus omega of t minus e natural logarithm x squared e raised to natural logarithm of x squared of 2 over x. Yan na yung sagot. That's all.